Okay, here we are now. We just taken the actual EGR valve out, and look at that. Look how much stuff I already got. Start scraping off the actual valve. That's the actual valve there. Alright, so that's how much carbon deposit on the actual valve. So I'm just cleaning this at the same time, clean the throttle body as well. Look how dirty the throttle body is. Look at this side here, pretty bad. So after all this, I'll do another video to show you. Alright, but there's 3 screws holding this, 3 screws holding this, and then 3 screws holding that. So you gotta take that off first. That throttle body must come off first, and after that you take the throttle body off. You're gonna take this hose off that goes with the EGR cooler, so you can access the bottom hose, the bottom bolt of the valve. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. But actually, one more thing, look at that, look inside the intake. There's your intake manifold there. Look at the intake manifold, that's really bad. So it's really probably the best thing to do if you take the whole intake, take the intake out and actually clean it properly. But not much I can do at the moment because I'm just trying to get the car back on the road as quick as I can. But looking at that, that looks it must be clean. I'll try, but the thing is, you can't really clean that properly because all that will fall into the actual engine. So even though they're dirty, but they don't. They just the actual air will just go past that. So anyway, see how we go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.